We're going to continue our talk on instruction and mathematic content and practice standards, and continuing to look at resources on the Iowa Core page under the research section. We're next going to look at the Mathematics Standards Initiative. And this page gives a description of the mathematics standards and how it is to address the mile wide and an inch deep problem. And I also like from this page that you can get to several of the other pages, and you'll notice that there's menus and things that you can check out here. And over here you can get to all the grade levels, and you can get to the standards by domain and the Appendix A, which gives some models of how you can use that in high school. And so lots of different things to explore here. You can also explore a search, a map. There's a video up here. So about the standards, if you go to this page, you'll see the professional organizations that worked on it, some of the timeline, what the standards are. Another link that I like on this site is under the development process, and there's a ton of information here. So this talks about what the standards are, what they were informed by, the timeline. This is also a link to a full list of criteria used to develop the standards. So if you open that, you can see the criteria there. As you go down here, you see the reference to college and career readiness, the K-12 standards. Also, teachers played a critical role in this. So it looks like we had teachers from NEA, AFTE, NCTM, AFT, NCTM, and they helped to vet it, and input was taken during 2 public comments periods. Also, there's a complete timeline here. And so there's just a ton of information here and hot links to explore. And just, I did not know all this information. So I found this really interesting and informative. So I guess if you have nothing to do on a Saturday afternoon. I also thought what parents should know was helpful. So there's some information there. And then there was another one. Oh, frequently asked questions. I like that one. There's a ton here too, because it's an overview about the process, implementation and future work, content and quality of the standards. So there's just a ton of information here. I was amazed at how much information was on the site. Like, I just had no idea. So I would encourage you to check this site out and learn more about the standards and where they came from and all that great work. And also on our next one, in my next blog, in our next webcast, we're going to be talking about the key shifts, the details about focus, coherence, and rigor. Thanks, everyone. Till next time.